That's a nice little pup. Look at that retrieving dog. First bird you ever worked with and you retrieved it. What a puppy. Nice pup. Yeah. How's that for cool? We already got a retriever. And the reason we have it is because we didn't ask. Everybody else would have asked and ruined it. That dog chose to do that. Did it because it wanted to, and it wanted to share that with us. Beautiful stuff. That dog will bring you everything alive and just can't wait to retrieve and share everything with you because you didn't ask for it and you didn't take it. If you do that, it doesn't work and you won't ever have this. Right now, she just needs this time to play with her bird. If she wants to bring it over, she can. We don't care what she does. But see how the squatting down makes a difference?
Yep. Okay,
when you squat down, just go ahead and squat down. So she can bring it if she wants. Again, we're not asking for anything. We're squatting down here, and if she wants to show you, bring it to the pack, you know, travel with the prey. We'll give her just a minute, and then we'll walk away, and she'll probably bring it and walk with us. I'm not going to call her. She can do what she wants to do here. She's going to look up and see that the pack is leaving, and she wants to be with the pack, but she's got this bird. So how do you fix that? You walk with it. Thank you. Looking at some scent there. Didn't see that. Got some scent going. So it smells like it's around this bush. Got some scent going again. Here's a tie-in right there. See that tie-in right there? Got the scent, turned in. There's a bird. Bird scent. That's what that scent is. That's what that smells. It's a bird. What a nice little pup. What a nice little puppy that he is. Look, go get your bird. Don't let it get away. A little scent there. Hey, look at that. That's not the one we were going for. But that's all right. That's all right. What a nice little dog. Got some scent. Beautiful. Good work. Squat down, Dad. Very nice. Look at that. Nice work. Squat down, Dad. Nice work. Squat down. Thank you. Squat down. What a nice little dog. Thank you. Nice work. Yeah, nice work. I'll have it retrieved to you now. Watch this. Here we go.